Want to upscale MidJourney images for high-quality printing? With VideoProc Converter AI's super resolution, you can upscale AI images to 4K and 8K and enjoy large format printing, no pixelation or image blur. We'll also include tips on resolution versus printing size later in this video. So here is what you will learn. To get started, download and install VideoProc Converter AI. The link is in the description below. Open VideoProc Converter AI, go to Super Resolution, and drag and drop MidJourney images here. You can also add photos, videos, and other AI arts. For the upscaling mode, use reality if your MidJourney images are in realistic styles. For 2D anim and illustrations, choose anim type. Next, select the upscaling multiples here, 2 times, 3 times, or 4 times. You can compare the source and upscaled images in real time. The difference will be more conspicuous when viewing in full size. Choose the preferred image format and quality. Leave it at 100% for general cases. Select an output folder and hit Run. To achieve a high-quality print, we usually need 300 DPI images. Since the print size is equal to the resolution divided by DPI, the larger the printing size we desire, the higher the resolution required. Here is a handy chart for your reference. As you can see, MidJourney's base resolution is not enough for high-quality printing, and its 4 times upscaler will count against your fast GPU time. Now with VideoProc Converter AI, you can upscale MidJourney images in batch and achieve higher resolution with natural details. Get it and try it now.